In today's video, I want to share what I think is the very best making money online side hustle, and it's a business I'm building myself. So if you're looking for a faster and an easier way to make more income, this video is for you. This online business is ideal for both beginner marketers and for those with online experience too. I'm convinced almost anyone can be successful here. It's that simple. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, and I've been making money online full-time for years now. The money is great, but what my wife Barbara and I really treasure is the time freedom that it creates too. We sail most days in the summer and ski most days in the winter, while most of our friends and neighbors are at their jobs. This side hustle is all about lifestyle. And before we get going, can I ask you to do me a big favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments below, please let me know how you got value out of this video. You know, it's no mystery why so many people are looking at side hustles today. Almost everything costs more. People from all walks of life are feeling the need for additional income. And when people first start checking out side hustles, they frequently think of common ones like Uber or DoorDash. And while I've never done one of them, and I don't have any first-hand experience to share, it's easy to see that all you are really doing with them and so many other side hustles is trading your time for money. It's almost like working a second job. Well, get real. Is anyone really wanting to commit to another job? And that's why I prefer and recommend online side hustles for making money. With the right one, you can leverage your time thanks to automated systems. So let me tell you about what I think is the very best making money online side hustle. And like I said, this is an online business that I build myself. First, and the thing I like best, is that it's super simple. Almost anyone can do it. If you can send and receive email, and if you can follow simple instructions, you have all the skills you need. Prior marketing or internet experience is not necessary. We will teach you everything you need to know, and you can be making money while you are learning. See, we are all about making money fast. Many new people make money their very first day with us, and it only takes a few hours per week to do this business. And because it's all done online, you can put those few hours in whenever it's convenient for you. This business is ideal for busy people. People on our team are doing this around their current job, around raising a family, or other time constraints. And it's a global business. People all over the world are making money online with us, following our simple, proven system. When you team up with us, you will be joining the top team in the fastest growing home business in the entire industry. Our company is unique. We save people money every day, and our offer is unlike any other. We have the marketing system others dream of. Our pay plan is generous and geared towards everyday people, not just the heavy hitters. Again, everyday people like you and me can have massive success here. You won't have to spend a lot of money to get started either. This is the lowest price business I know of. And no, this is not one of those MLM things where you have to purchase a bunch of overpriced products every month just to qualify to get paid. I did traditional network marketing like that for years, and I'm really tired of it. Our team will give you everything you need to start making money today. We give you your own high-converting sales funnel with everything you need. You'll have your own lead capture pages, sales pages, and powerful emails to send out. Everything works on autopilot. Again, this is about creating time freedom too. And like I said, it only takes a few hours per week. Your sales funnel will be the exact same sales funnel that I use, but personalized to brand and promote you. All of the heavy lifting is done for you. You do not need to create anything. You can be set up and marketing within the hour, and we are big on training. At the risk of bragging, our training is the best you will find. We also have a great Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our team atmosphere. And then lastly, I will be your personal mentor and coach. I will share everything that has helped me be successful. I do this full time. I'm accessible. You will be able to reach out to me by email, text, messenger, or my personal cell, whatever works best for you. You can get paid every Thursday by direct deposit, and this side hustle pays out recurring passive income too. And you'll love that. Imagine getting paid month after month for what you do today. To learn more about making money online as soon as possible, I mean like later today, go to my website at easymoneypath.com. Again, that's easymoneypath.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.